Headway App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how much information people consume but forget, and Headway is designed to fix that in 2025. This app turns big books into fast, memorable insights. Headway offers short summaries of best-selling non-fiction books in both text and audio formats. Each summary focuses on actionable ideas rather than filler content. One major advantage is time efficiency. Most summaries take under 20 minutes, making learning easier to fit into daily life. The surprising truth is that repetition and reminders help retention far more than long reading sessions. However, most people get this wrong by replacing books entirely. Headway is best used as a discovery tool, helping you decide which books deserve deeper reading. Subscription pricing can also feel high if usage is inconsistent. In conclusion, Headway is ideal for lifelong learners who value efficiency. Used wisely, it can sharpen your thinking and expose you to powerful ideas without overwhelming your schedule.